move on to the next. For the second one, I'd like to just point out, which is when you input. Now look at this second server, HDB S1. Before you install it, first of all you need to NFS import mount point / SAP mount from very first server, okay, which is over here. It has this file system SAP mount, so you need to export and go to the second node to import it. So here is the file system imported. If you do the df, you can see it's a complete import from the first server, okay. And so once you go to this directory, you can see this is a script which is you can run. I think it's this something, yep, this one, which is add host, okay. When you press enter, you will go through the questionnaire, but since I already have a database running, so it detected HDB already installed. In a brand new Blade server, you might just using this command to implement it. So it just go through to create the user ID and group, and probably taken another 15 minutes also. It's much faster than the first node you implement. So once you have everything complete, same thing, you can go through the switch user and run HDB start. So let it run, and likewise the third one, you also need to do the MVS import first, okay, to share this common file system, and this also already installed. So you just run the HDB ADM HDB start. Okay, this time look like HDB S1 and S2 both are up and running, but since this is a small environment, usually the service brought up going to take a couple minutes, so that's come back and put on hold here. Okay, it took about 2 minutes. It looked like all the CPU I/O are settled down. So let's go look at the HANA Studio again, and let's refresh. I'm going to take a look. Go back again. You can see here much better, but some services are not started yet. Okay, let's see. Over here it is fully started, so probably taking another 5 minutes to get all warning out. Okay, here, yeah, all started, and over here you can switch the mode service and configurations. So it has a different route to handle the failover, and if you want to change the different route, here it allows you to change it. So let's go to another X window to check. There's another view also give you a similar environment and viewer. And let me prepare a little bit. Okay, I'm in this server, the first one, HDB NFS. And when you log in as a HDB ADM, this directory, there's a script, okay, you can run it called HDB ADM.sh. So if you have been working on the T-Rex environment, this look familiar. So you can see this is a landscape, okay. Configurations and topology and host. Okay, you can see all these configurations, and here looks similar, which is just like a OT-REX. So this is another environment you can manage in your HANA database. Okay, and so next thing, let's give it a try, see if you the failover going to happen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut down this first node, okay, which is I'm not going to reboot it or shut it down. I just shut down the instance to simulate the first node failure. Otherwise, the reason is because it still carry NFS server. So if you eat down, all the NFS mount point in another two node will be failed. So HDB stop, okay. Let's monitor with HANA Studio. Okay, this time it still show okay, and review it. Okay, you can see it's getting down. Okay, okay, since I don't have this name load balancer, when I create this view, I connected to the first HDB interface directly. So when that instance is down, I have a very limited view here. So I'm going to create another entry with a same database, of course, but I'm going to point to HDS server 1 server, the full view. To differentiate, I'm going to name server 1, so I know this view is connected to server 1, and this account in database, of course, is the same. So I'm going to look at administration view, see if you give me a better view. Yes, okay. So this, you can see the first node I just shut down, so it come out with an error, and you can see the name server, the second server pick out the role name server as the master. So now it is kind of standby as a slave. Okay, so since it worked pretty well. Okay, thank you for watching.